Let's figure out our sample chord. For any given pixel on screen, there are numerous possible valid sample chords. We need to calculate the top left extreme sample chord and the bottom right extreme sample chord. That is all we're doing. We're not even using it yet. Inside of shader source fragment number 5, we've declared unsigned 2 and unsigned 4 here. We have some variables we're using. Don't have enough time to explain them. And here we are determining the sample point. This is all the new code we've written. We're not using that sample point yet, just calculating it. We need the magnitude of the data selection viewport, which is the same as the discrete units in a viewport. We need the number of discrete units in a pixel. We just divide the discrete units in the data selection viewport by the number of pixels in the on-screen viewport. That gives us the number of discrete units in a pixel. Then we can calculate the top left sample point and the bottom right sample point. We'll then break those two sample points into 4 discrete locations located on each corner of the pixel. Then we will modulate the ticker value by 4 to create an index accessor into that array to grab out one of those corners based on whatever the time value is. Later we will use it, but right now that's all we're doing. The reason why we're animating this value is so that we'll get shimmer when we are sampling on the border between 2 different materials. This is the space we need to visualize. We are going to use the sample chord to visualize this space in which the data exists, but we are not going to yet render any data. We first need to figure out how to visualize that space, which we are going to do very soon. If this was not enough explanation, go to the slower playlist. This has been video 97, Camera Mapping Part 4. Like and subscribe.